So today I'll be showing you how to clear the RAM of your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. So simply go to settings. So swipe down and tap on settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll down to device care. Tap on that. And then under device care, scroll down to memory. And you can see I have 2 gigs of memory, but I have 623 MB available because I've already used 1.2 gigs. Okay, so if you tap on that, it's going to check what's eating up your memory the most. You can see messages, all these apps running in the background are using up my memory. And by memory, I mean RAM. So to clear the RAM, you can just tap on this icon here, and that's going to close all background running apps and clear the RAM for you. Okay, so that is basically how to do that. So now 327 MB has been cleared, as you can see. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.